Okay, little update on this grinder. I added 3 legs to it. And I put 3 legs because that way it'll always be level or won't rock. And then, if you can see in here, if I just loosen these 2 screws, the table will slide forward. And what that allows me to do is I just pull it forward, take a 9/16 wrench, loosen this nut, and put on a different grit. There we go. Let me go back to a 240. Tighten this up. Okay, then what I do is I tilt it up and I have 2 razor blades and I set them just underneath the table like that. And what that does is allow me to set the table and get it the right distance off the wheel. Okay, come out of there pretty easy. Now I also made this gauge 40, 60, 90, 120, and this gauge is for making scraper blades. And the other thing is there's a 1-inch hole in the center and it's exactly 1 inch. And that's for counting the number of points. And what I'm doing is I'm taking this blade and I'm grinding it so that it has a 120, a 90, a 60, which I've got a finish, and then a 40. So you could take this one blade and rotate it. The other thing I've done, I don't know if you can see this, but there is 2 grinds on here. Since it's a negative angle on here, I can cut this one this way and this one this way. So I make sure that the ridge goes down between them. So now with this one cutter, I end up with 8 cutting surfaces and 4 different angles.